Hi everyone, this is the Focus Spender, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what the heck is going on with the stock market. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your finances, and increasing your net worth. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me at Focus Spender on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now let's get started. So today I took a look at my M1 finance portfolio and I noticed that it was up 14.95%. And if you watched the video that I published on March 1st, just 3 months ago, you would have seen that my gains were only 0.78% at that time. And as a matter of fact, in between then and now, I definitely have seen negative returns on my portfolio. I also checked in on my Betterment account, and my Betterment account is up over $5,800, while on March 1st, it was down over $3,000. So what the heck is going on? I could not have predicted this at the time, and in fact, I assumed that the stock market would start to rebound in another year or two. Definitely not in 3 months. But the one thing I kept pushing people not to do was not to panic sell, because I knew at some point the stock market would go back up again. And honestly, these could be temporary gains. It could go up today and it could go right back down tomorrow. So who knows what's actually going to happen. But right now I know that it is on an upward trajectory. Yesterday, the government announced that unemployment had dropped down to 13.3%, which was far lower than expected, down from 14.7% in April. However, it was announced today that there was a miscalculation and the unemployment rate for May was actually 16.3%, down from 19.7% in April. So higher than previously reported, but still down from month to month. In any event, my stock market portfolio was already on the upward rise even before the unemployment rates were announced. I'm tracking one stock in particular, and even though the company is relatively stable, I know revenues are down, but every single day I noticed that there was huge increases in the price. More importantly, even with all the civil unrest in the country, specifically with the daily protests of the death of George Floyd, the stock market has still been on a rise. This leads me to ask the question, is the stock market a true reflection of the economy? And my answer is no. It is clear that even with high unemployment, a global pandemic, and civil unrest, the stock market is not a reflection of the economy. The president of the New York Stock Exchange said it best when he said, "It is a reflection of the public sentiment of the stocks that were in that index that we're looking at." There's a very real possibility that there will be a second wave of corona cases sooner rather than later, leading to states shutting down again. With that, there will be more layoffs, high unemployment, and another round of stock sell-off. If that happens again, please try not to panic and sell your portfolio. If I had liquidated all of my assets, I would have lost anywhere between $50,000 and $75,000. My advice is to keep buying on a regular schedule, whether that's once a week or once every 2 weeks. And keep a little extra money on the side in case there is another round of sell-offs and you're able to buy a stock that you were thinking about but haven't been able to afford. As for me personally, during this time, I've increased my M1 finance contribution from $15 to $30 a week. I've increased my Betterment contribution from $100 to $200 semi-monthly, and I've started to fund my Roth IRA. I know this time is very scary. We don't know what's going to happen with our health. We don't know what's going to happen to our communities. We don't know if you're Black, what's going to happen to our lives. But I just want you guys to know that this is not the time to panic. This is the time to get down to work and keep doing the things that are going to push you forward and not pull you back. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to leave me a comment, click like, and share it with your friends. Thanks. Bye-bye.